Hi everyone. Um, Today I'm gonna post another video. I didn't think the last one didn't have quite enough information yet before we get to boiling any water. This is my wood-fired maple syrup arch. As you can see there up on the well, let me back up. It's going to be oil fired, waste oil fired. Um, I did try firing up one of the burners yesterday, and it burned. Could have been better, I believe. I think we're starving ourselves on some air, so I'm gonna open up the holes in that burner tube that I showed you in the last video. So got it laying on its side here, part ways. I'm putting the refractory mud in. You can see the other side is already done. I did that last night. It didn't quite go like I thought it would. It's pretty difficult. I'm using some chicken wire. I got a piece started here. Took these 1/4-inch bolts and welded nuts on the side about every 6-8 inches. I didn't measure them out. Took 1/4 inch, 1.5 bolt, welded 2 washers on in such manner, and then I just stick it through the insulation here and thread them into my nuts like so. And the first washer holds the insulation down. The second washer is going to catch the refractory clay and my chicken wire. There's a bolt right here, and I kind of hooked it over the washer to help hold everything down. So I just did a little section here, put about 1/2 inch to 3/4 mud, and now I'll do another inch of mud across the chicken wire. And I just did a small section here, kind of give you an idea how I'm doing it. Like I said in the last video, we don't know if this is going to work or hold up. I mixed my own refractory using these components here. I used 4 parts of the perlite and 2 parts of Portland cement, and I used a 1.5 parts of the silica sand, which is the multi-purpose utility sand. I understand it's actual silica sand. I had made up a fire brick and tested it, and it held up fairly well. I thought there could maybe be a little more Portland to hold it together. But the Portland may not hold up under the heat either. So yeah, I'm just not sure how this is going to turn out. I'm having to mix my mud much thinner than I had planned. I tried it drier last night, and I got to be able to work up a little bit of cream to make it even smooth out on this insulation. It's not quite going on like I thought it was going to. So yeah, we will do this, and it's going to have to dry for quite a while, I think. Got to get all that moisture out of that cement, and got to figure out how I'm going to get that clay on the front around the door. I may end up building a form up there. Yeah, we'll see how this works out once I put some heat to it. In the meantime, I'm gonna drill out the holes in that burner and see if we can make them a little hotter. It was hot, but I think we can do better. So until then, we'll see you there.